Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, we will deal with a topic that is very current among gardeners. I have something special for you. If you are a gardening enthusiast and want your cucumber to be healthy and rich in fruit, then you are in the right place. Dear gardener friends, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and write us in the comments where you're watching us from and how you like this video. Thank you for that. Cucumbers are a vegetable that is popular all over the world, and their cultivation history goes back more than 3,000 years. It is believed that they were first grown in India, from where they spread to Egypt and Greece, and later to the whole world. Cucumbers are known for their refreshing and hydrating nature. They're not only delicious, they're also an excellent source of vitamins C, magnesium, and potassium. Did you know that cucumbers contain 95% water? This makes them the perfect choice for hot summer days, as they help hydrate and refresh the body. In addition, cucumbers are also used in cosmetic products due to their soothing properties for the skin. However, growing cucumbers is not always an easy task. There are several diseases that can attack this plant, and one of the most dangerous is precisely the breeding disease. Blight is a fungal disease that can destroy the entire crop if not recognized and treated in time. Symptoms include rapidly spreading yellow spots on the leaves, and the leaves may turn brown and dry, eventually causing the plant to die. But don't worry, we have a solution for you. In the following, we will reveal a natural and effective recipe for fighting acne, a combination of milk and turmeric. This simple preparation can significantly help preserve the health of your cucumbers and ensure a rich harvest. 1 liter of milk, it is best to use skimmed milk, but whole milk can also be used. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 liters of water. In a large bowl, combine milk and water. Mix well. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mixture. Turmeric is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent supplement for fighting yeast infections. Stir the mixture well again to distribute the turmeric evenly. Pour the mixture into a garden sprayer. Spray cucumber plants with this mixture once a week or after every rain. Pay special attention to the underside of the leaves, as this is where the first infections most often appear. Continue this treatment throughout the growing season to keep plants healthy. This natural recipe is not only effective, but also environmentally friendly, safe for the environment and for you. Using milk and turmeric will help you keep your cucumber plants healthy and productive without the need for chemical pesticides. We hope you found this video useful and that you will try our recipe for protecting cucumbers. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. Dear friends, send this video to your friends on social networks, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Also, after subscribing, don't forget to press the bell so you don't miss any new video from me. Until next time, happy gardening.